Hi, this is Oz. I had to re-record this video because, this is Oz. Because something happened. So now I have to record it again. This pay-per-view video review is on AEW Redemption 2026, July 26, 2026. Today's recording date is August 14th, 2026. It was live from the Belfast in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. The attendance was 7,107. The only pre-show match was for the AEW World Trios Championship. The Lethal Twist versus the Conglomeration. I'm not going to go through the names again because it's going to take too long. The Conglomeration won by this match by pinfall. Main show matches were match number 2. Six-way ladder match to determine the number 1 contender for the AEW International Championship. Mike Bailey versus Jack Perry versus the Beast Mortos versus Commander versus Nick Wayne versus El Clone. Mike Bailey was the winner of this match. Match number 3 was a tag team match. The Young Bucks versus the Death Riders, John Moxley and Will Ospreay, with Marina Shafir. The Young Bucks were the winners of this match by pinfall. Match number 4 was for the AEW International Championship. Bandito versus Kyle Fletcher. Kyle Fletcher won by pinfall. Match number 5 was double chain. Hold on. Was a double chain tag team match. And I don't have my backdrop because I'm doing this video real quickly. The Dogs, David Finlay and Clark Connors versus the Bang Bang Gang, Jay White and Juice Robinson. The Dogs were the winners of this match by pinfall. Match number 6 was AEW TBS Championship match, Maya World versus Hikaru Shida. This was the first of 3 title changes on the show, by the way. Maya World won by pinfall and became the new TBS champion. Match number 7 was a tag team match for the AEW World Tag Team Championship. The Death Riders, Claudio Castagnoli and Pac versus Cage and Cope, Christian Cage and Adam Copeland. Cage and Cope were the winners of this match by pinfall. Match number 8 was a no-holds-barred match. The Painmaker, Chris Jericho versus Tommaso Ciampa. Chris Jericho won by submission. Match number 9 was an AEW National Championship match. Andrade El Idolo versus Mark Davis. Andrade El Idolo won by pinfall and became the new AEW National Champion. Match number 10 was an AEW Women's World Championship match. Willow Nightingale versus Tekla. Willow Nightingale won by pinfall and became the new AEW Women's World Champion. Then the main event itself, match number 11, was an AEW World Championship match. Kevin Knight versus Kenny Omega. Kenny Omega won by pinfall and retained this AEW World Championship. I thought overall it was a good show. The key matches were match number 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 was good for what it was. And then the last 3 matches were very good. I thought it was a B plus overall, and I'd score it a 7.5 out of 10. Let me know what you thought about my video review of AEW Redemption 2026 in the comment section below. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, this has been Oz. Peace out.